COVID-19 has brought education to a standstill, but after partial release of lockdown, Education Department had come up with innovative ideas to bridge the gap and to help the students to return to normalcy. Video lessons were recorded by educational experts from various districts were telecasted through Kalvi TV and other private channels so that the students of government schools can be benefited. To enhance this further, the teaching fraternity of Villivakkam block of Tiruvallur district had taken initiative to reach out to each and every student through online classes, WhatsApp videos, etc. A leading example of such activity is New Kanyaman Nagar Primary School, which is situated in a gypsy colony and caters to the needs of the children there. After the relaxation of lockdown, teachers took efforts by going to schools and assembling students adhering to all safety needs. With necessary precautions, the teaching learning process began with recalling the activities on language skills, vocabulary building, framing sentences using letter chips and cards. Drawing skill of the students was encouraged to enhance fine motor skills. For active participation of students, online competitions were held and certificates were distributed. Students participated in these competitions enthusiastically through WhatsApp. Students attended their online classes and their doubts were clarified individually over phone.
Teachers have taken special care for me to continue my learning as I didn't have access to online.
Parents concerned regarding the wards education made the HM of Pulyambedu Primary School to go a step ahead by approaching SMC members and general public to pave way for continuous learning activity during lockdown. The HM made students assemble streetwise and took classes in shifts maintaining social distancing. Further, she provided counseling for students to face the challenges. She also provided snacks to them, seeing her dedication and concern towards her students during the deadly pandemic made VIT Chennai invite her as the chief guest for the 74th Independence Day celebration at the campus. She was honored with a sum of 25,000 rupees, which she in turn donated it for the school library so that the students can be benefited in large.
As the learning had to be continuous, I voluntarily took measures to reach out to my students in person and taught them the basic skills in arithmetic and language. Marakkade Manava. Life has many obstacles, but let us not stop. Let's move ahead, making it as a stepping stone.
As the parents and teachers approached me, I took necessary steps in providing convenient place for students to assemble and learn, maintaining utmost safety and care.
Though we met with a pandemic, educational experts were never addressed. There was no lockdown for teachers. Learning process continues.